What's going on, everybody? I'm Diggin Z71. My name is Dylan. Welcome to the channel, and today we got a little something cool going on for you. Hop in, take a ride with me. It's gonna be my first long trip in Clifford since we put it back together with the new gears, new converter, new this, new that, yada yada yada. We're gonna take a ride over to Austin's house. We're gonna do some work on Aden's car. Let's see if she makes it. Takeover in Bowling Green, Kentucky, August 6th and 7th. That's kind of our next move. That's our next agenda. And so one thing that we want to get taken care of on Aden's car is a little bit of welding. We got to get a little bit of a hot aluminum gluing going on before we can get it up there. We want to see if we can get squeeze a little bit more out of that stock blower ZL1. So it's finally not raining here. Not currently. It's probably going to downpour now that I've said that. But it's not raining, and Clifford's all in one piece. We're going to see if he makes the drive, see how he does. Hopefully we get there. Shoot. We made it. Look at there. Coolant temp 176. Air temps are low. Shoot. We good. Austin, what are you doing?
Race car stuff, buddy.
What are they doing back there? What are those guys doing?
So we're taking Aden's car, street car takeover 2.
All right.
Right?
Which one?
The black car, black ZL1.
No, but which race?
The Kentucky race.
Like Bowling Green.
Bowling Green, Kentucky. Just got done doing a Synergy ice tank in the back. We routed some hoses. We ran all 3/4 inch hoses. Well, the factory hoses are 5/8. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the 3/4 inch barb fittings off the heat exchanger. We're going to put some 1-inch fittings on it, trying to get all the flow.
Mo flow, huh?
Mo flow, mo cooling, mo boost, mo power, baby.
Mo power, baby.
So that's the plan. That's what we're going to do.
So we got your pops over here going to help us out with it.
Yeah, you're going to put a little razzle dazzle on that aluminum for us.
Hot glue some aluminum.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, this end, yes sir.
Okay. What is that?
You put it on my YouTube.
Okay. I'm a movie star.
You got that big old hole in the side of my car? Yeah.
Payback. Oh, brother.
Alright, hold that right there. Don't worry.
Hey, come put your hands on it right there.
Yeah, don't let it fall off. Hold that right there. I gotta adjust this.
And I'm just going to stand back here and hold this right here.
Alright, straighten this up. Alright, loud noises.
I thought he wanted to make loud noises. All right, no turning back now.
I'm gonna get a headband for Dylan. It's gonna go around his head. We're just gonna put the GoPro on it. Everything he does in life is gonna be filmed. We don't need eye protection. We just go like this. Yeah. Okay.
Austin, is that why your teeth are so clean?
Yeah, we double as a dental hygienist on Tuesdays. I'm gonna hit it like Jesse did that ketchup bottle.
Where were you at when he did that?
Wires.
Oh, the wires.
Just tap the bottom of the bottle. He was like,
you gotta have the label up.
he started beating the crap out of that bottle of ketchup.
We'll do that out. That sure is a loud hot glue machine.
Yeah. See all those grinders on the wall? We have those for a reason.
Those are for your welds, not his.
We might not be welders around here, but we sure are good grinders.
Yeah, grinders and paint makes you the welder that you ain't.
Yeah. Looks good.
Get that camera too close.
Oh, nah. You're right on it, right on it.
Those YouTube guys are brutal.
Oh yeah, nah. If they can do better, they can come and do better. Shoot, what you think, pal?
I'm sick, man.
Knock a few degrees out, huh? Upsize it, get some mo flow. Well, boys and girls, we made it on home. Clifford did it like a champ. Super happy. Freaking mint. Clifford did a heck of a job. Super happy that lockup's working. We're getting down the road. Super glad that we got Aden's cooling mods taken care of. Going to try to knock a few degrees out of that thing because like we mentioned a couple of times, we are headed to Streetcar Takeover in Bowling Green August 6th and 7th with his car as well as Austin's car, the ZL1. And man, I really think we're going to have a good time. So for anybody that's around, anybody that's out there, anybody that's on the fence about coming, come see us, come hang out, come buy a t-shirt. If you're not going to make it, you want a t-shirt anyway, digginz71.com. That's where you can grab those. Man, but thank you guys for hanging out with us. I'm DigginZ71. My name is Dylan. Thanks for watching. Keep digging. We'll see you later.